to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a small little garden update. As many of you know, at the beginning of this year I got pregnant and COVID happened. So that being said, my expectations for the garden this year had to be extremely lower. I definitely was not expecting it to be such an insane year. However, it was a really good learning experience. It was a lot of fun, and I'm just going to show you a couple little tidbits from late midsummer. Having a suburban backyard garden, I definitely have limited space and also limited amount of resources to be able to have the big garden that I want to have, that I see on YouTube and all of the other places for inspiration. But it's still a lot of fun to experiment, and I know one day I'll have more space to have a bigger garden and follow my dream of producing a lot of our own food, and I'm really excited for that and looking forward to it. I was still able to can salsa this year. We've had a lot of herbs and a lot of tomatoes. Every year I'm not sure exactly what's going to do the best because every year is different. As I said before, this year was definitely a learning experience. My cucumbers failed, my zucchini failed. There was a lot of failures, but the successes were really nice because I dried herbs for the first time. I'm going to dry some herb salt, and if you watch the Elliott Homestead, you're familiar with what I'm talking about. I'll link the video in the description. I've had a lot of squash, so there has been some successes as well as the failures, and that's just part of it, but it's still been really fun even in my small backyard garden. Every summer I try to get outside a lot with Case and just let him explore and play in the water down by our house and find rocks and different leaves and just really enjoy summer for all that it is. I really had to give myself a lot of grace this year just because being so tired in the first trimester and now in the second trimester going into the third trimester, it's just a lot, and I have to remember that I can't do everything. So just enjoying life for what it is, working on small little projects around the house before baby number 2 gets here. It really has been a blessing to just slow down and remember what's most important. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please join me for my next one. Thanks, guys.